Today we're here in Oak Hill Cemetery. Events going on this week include the continuing Chair in our 25th anniversary display at Rotary Botanical Gardens. Through Labor Day, there'll be beautiful Adirondack chairs created from wood by Rotary Gardens volunteers, decorated by local artists, and on display throughout the gardens. The Rock Aqua Jays perform on Wednesdays and Sundays at 7 p.m. at Traxler Park. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, there'll be a Janesville craft beer experience at O'Reilly and Conway's Irish Pub, The Looking Glass, and Badger Spirits. You can sample 40 of the tastiest craft brews at these 3 downtown destinations. Dance Attitudes will present the Alice in Wonderland Ballet Friday at 7 p.m. at the Janesville Performing Arts Center. And Friday night, it's Comedy Night at the Armory, with the doors opening at 6 and the show beginning at 8 p.m. Friday and Saturday is Cutter Harley-Davidson's annual MDA Tub Run. Runs from 1 to 11 on Friday and 9 to 11 on Saturday. On Saturday, from 10 to 11 a.m., there'll be a Stories and Stones walk right here at Oak Hill Cemetery. They'll meet at the Oak Hill Cemetery Chapel, and it's a great historical walk. Janesville Morning Rotary's 10th annual Pie Ride takes place Saturday with a 6 a.m. registration at Lions Beach. Courses vary from an 8K to a 100-mile Century route. The Rock County Dairy Breakfast will be at the Dennis and Clarice Green Dairy Farm, Saturday from 6:30 to 11 a.m. And the Janesville Farmers Market continues on Saturday, 8 to 1 on North Main Street. And something I'm participating in the first time is the Lincoln Tallman Fun Dash, Saturday from 3 to 8 at the Lincoln Tallman House. There's a 5K. Registrations are accepted right up to the day of the event. Afterwards, they'll have a great mouth-watering pig roast and plenty of delicious food to enjoy. And the Father's Day Buffet at the Armory runs from 9 to 1:30, and they do strongly suggest reservations for that event. Sunday from 10 to 3, there'll be Father's Day tours at the Lincoln Tallman House. And on Sunday, the Rock County Farmers Market continues at Nature's Touch Garden Center on Highway 11 West from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Tuesday night, it's Bike Night and live music under the stars at Cutter Harley-Davidson. Proceeds benefit Echo, and the food will be by South Padre Island Street Food. On Tuesday, the Main Street Entertainment Series kicks off in Lower Courthouse Park from 7 to 8:30 p.m. and will feature the Zwiefel Brothers. On Thursday, from 12:30 to 1:30, it's the Kids Noontime Entertainment at the Palmer Park Camden Stage. And workshops at K&W Greenery will take place Thursday at 6 p.m. and they're going to feature how to create a perennial garden. If you want more information on these and other events, just visit the events section of our website.